So hello everyone, this is CA Sanidhya Saraf, your friend, mentor and coach for audit and law. So here is a good news for all my students from South India who love me a lot. Considering your numerous number of requests that sir we want your classes in English, this time I have decided that Sanjeevani Audit I'll be releasing in English for you all. You might be understanding that I have to record so many of courses, I have to adhere to the needs of so many students, so it was not possible for me to bring out all the courses in English language. But because there was a heavy demand that we are facing problems in auditing, that is why I have decided that at least the audit for CA final I'll be releasing in English language, the Sanjeevani course. Now what is the Sanjeevani course all about? Do remember, this is not a regular course, this is not a fast track course, right? What is Sanjeevani course all about? All the students who have learned audit from somewhere or the other, maybe by way of self-study, but unfortunately even after doing audit from somewhere else or even after investing a lot of time by the way of self-study, you are not getting confidence in the subject, right? There are a lot of students who are not getting confidence in the subject. या फिर the other case may be that you feel that you are good in the subject, but in the exam you are not able to translate that into marks. So now for this objective the Sanjeevani course is being designed. Sanjeevani course is for all those who have completed audit and law either by way of self-study or you have taken classes from some other faculties, or in fact you have taken my classes, but you are not getting that confidence. You feel that you need that last minute booster. Then Sanjeevani course is for you. If you feel that I have studied the subject but still I am not getting the marks, then the Sanjeevani course is for you. So now what is the Sanjeevani course going to offer you? Sanjeevani course is a unique blend of concepts, interlinking and presentation. Right? We are also going to focus on concepts, but when we'll focus on the concepts, our speed will be a bit fast. And that is why I don't suggest this course to the students who are doing audit or law for the first time. Yes, if a student is very smart and he can catch the concepts in a very fast and effective manner, he can still manage from this course if he is studying from the first time. Otherwise, I advise it to the students who have studied the subjects earlier. But yes, concepts are also being taught here. Then we focus a lot on interlinking. Now interlinking is one of the most important areas a CS student needs to adhere into. A CS student needs to focus on interlinking. But unfortunately, most of the students are poor in this area. In audit and law, interlinking plays a very big role, and we are going to discuss interlinking in the Sanjeevani course. We are going to interlink the topics thoroughly in this course. And the most important thing that we do in Sanjeevani course is the presentation part. Now, presentation is something that is the weak link for all the CS students. There are many CS students who are good in concepts, but unfortunately they don't get good marks because they lack poor presentation. And I must tell you that presentation of CS students are pathetic. It is very unfortunate, but the truth is that presentation of CS students is pathetic. Very poor presentation you are actually implementing in the exam hall. So in Sanjeevani course, one area that we are going to focus into is presentation, because what I believe ki chalo even if we cover 80% of the syllabus, but if we cover this presentation part in a very good manner, that is going to help you drastically out. Now the duration of this Sanjeevani courses will be somewhere around 20 to 25 hours. Right. This course is again recorded in English. The Hindi version you already have. Right. First time we are going to record in English. You are going to get a 80% coverage. 80% coverage does not mean that we are going to skip some chapters or we are going to leave some chapters. We are going to cover almost everything, but we are going to cover in a manner that it is going to give you 80% coverage. But it is going to be more than enough for getting exemption marks, right? If you are taking this course with dedication, if you are following me, with dedication till your examinations, this course is sufficient for you to get exemption as well. We are going to provide you 2 views so that you can see your classes multiple times. And 2 views does not only means that you can see one class only 2 times. You can actually see one class even 10 times. The logic behind 2 views is that, for example, if you are getting 25 hours of classes, the total viewing time you are entitled to will be 50 hours. Yani it does not matter even if you are seeing a classes for 10 hours. That 10 hours is going to get reduced from the total duration of 50 hours. So if you are more weak in some or the other topic and you want to hear that 5 times, you want to see that 4 or 5 times, that is not an issue at all. You can do that. The fees is going to be very, very nominal so that maximum of you can afford this course. Right. The fees of fast track and regular is comparatively higher, and some of the students are not able to avail those courses because of that monitoring part. So that is why the fees of Sanjeevani course is always kept on a lower range, somewhere in the range of 1500 to 2500, depending on whether you opted without book or with book, so that most of you can take the advantage of this course. So the students from North India, they have derived a lot of benefit from this course. We have 250 plus exemptions in audit and law in November 19 attempt. But now I believe when we are launching this Sanjeevani course in English, even my friends, my students from South India will be able to derive the benefit of this, because the duration is only 20 to 25 hours. So you can do this course even in the last month, right? Your exam is in May, then you can still do this course in April. Your exam is in November, you can still do this course in October, because the time frame is very, very less. Because eventually, if you would have given time to revise audit, it would be more than this duration, right? So we are trying that, we give you the maximum output in the minimum possible time. Since this is the first time we are coming out with English classes, so that is why if you feel that the flow of the language is not up to the mark, then kindly apologize me for the same. Although I will try my level best that the quality I am giving to the students who are taking my lectures in Hindi, the same quality I can deliver you all, right? The same quality I can deliver you all. And yes, one more thing I am going to try is that the voice clips. Again, one of the most popular demand of the South India students is that, we need the voice clips in English as well. So I'll be trying that, the voice clips also I'll be providing you in English to the extent it is possible. So now, for the first time, considering your demand, I'm releasing this course in English. If you people make it popular, then definitely for the next time, Law Sanjeevani course will also come in English, and maybe even the fast track and regular classes I can decide to release in both the languages. Right. So all the very best, guys, and do give it a thumbs up. Do like the videos. Do share it if you are actually excited and you feel that this concept of bringing these lectures in English is going to help you out. All the very best. And the most important thing, from where you can purchase this course from. So this course you can purchase from Apna Mentor. You can just go in www.apnamentor.com and you can purchase your course from there. Now, because of the fact that this recording is in process, right? This recording is in process, and for the first time I'm recording the classes in English. So that is why what I'll be doing is that, for example, as and when one chapter is ready, I'll be uploading it in your Google Drive link. As and when the company audit is ready, it will be uploaded in your Google Drive link. As and when the standards is uploaded, it will be, uploaded in your Google Drive link, and accordingly you can see the classes. Because of the fact that the exams are very, very near, so I'll be making it sure that all the classes are uploaded by at least 3rd or 4th of April. Right. I'll be making it sure that all the classes are uploaded by 3rd or 4th of April, so that you don't face any issues in your preparation. You will start getting these classes from 20th March onwards. So you can start your audit preparations from 20th March onwards using these classes via the Google Drive link. You just have to download that, right? And you'll get the complete set of classes maybe by 31st March. And if there is a delay, then by 3rd or 4th of April to the maximum. So that is how we are going to provide you the classes. So all the very best, guys. Take care. Love you all.